Ever looked up at the moon and wondered about the secrets it holds, the mysteries it inspires? Well, today, we're not going quite that far, but we are looking at something a little closer to home, a digital world inspired by that celestial body, Lunar. And the question that's been orbiting our minds is this: is Lunar open source? Think about it. In a world increasingly driven by collaboration, by shared knowledge and accessible technology, the open source movement has become a powerful force. It fuels innovation, allows for community-driven development, and empowers users with transparency and control. From operating systems like Linux to programming languages like Python, open source underpins much of the technology we use every day. So, where does Lunar fit into this landscape? You might have encountered Lunar as a sleek, minimalist design system, a set of meticulously crafted UI components intended to help developers build beautiful and consistent user interfaces. Its aesthetic often evokes a sense of calm and clarity, much like the soft glow of the moon itself. Developers appreciate its well-documented components, its focus on usability, and the way it streamlines the front-end development process. But the question of its open-source nature remains. To answer it directly, as of my last update, Lunar is not fully open source in the traditional sense. While the creators might offer certain aspects or components under specific licenses that allow for some level of modification and use, the core of Lunar, the complete design system and its underlying code, is typically proprietary. This means that while you might be able to use Lunar within your projects, the ability to freely inspect, modify, and distribute its source code in the same way you would with a truly open source project is generally restricted. The development and maintenance are primarily handled by its creators, and the licensing terms dictate how it can be used. Now, this doesn't necessarily diminish the value or utility of Lunar. Proprietary software plays a crucial role in the tech ecosystem, often allowing for dedicated teams to focus on refinement, support, and the development of advanced features. The creators of Lunar have undoubtedly poured significant effort into crafting a high-quality design system, and their proprietary model allows them to sustain that work. However, understanding its licensing is crucial for developers and businesses alike. It impacts how you can integrate Lunar into your projects, whether you can customize it extensively, and what your obligations are in terms of attribution and potential costs. The landscape of software development is constantly evolving. Design systems, in particular, are becoming increasingly important as organizations strive for consistent and efficient user experiences across their digital products. While Lunar currently operates under a proprietary model, the growing popularity and benefits of open-source design systems might lead to a shift in the future. Perhaps certain elements could be open-sourced to foster community contributions and wider adoption. Ultimately, the decision of whether to open source a project lies with its creators, balancing factors like sustainability, control over intellectual property, and the desire for community involvement. For now, while Lunar offers a compelling solution for UI development, it's important to recognize that it doesn't currently reside within the open source realm. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.